Hey everyone, welcome to the VerTex training video, and in this video we are going to learn how it works. So you can see that the dashboard is look like this, and we're in the template section, and you can see that we have a lot of templates to use. So you can use these templates for different social media platform. You can use it for video platform, you can use it for Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. You can use those templates for ad, stream, post. So let's make a dummy template and let's customize it. So if you pick this on the Facebook post, it will open in a new tab on our browser, and it will open in a editor page. So you can see that the editor page and the editing tools are in the left sidebar. So we can customize the template as per our own choice. So we can select the designs, we can add videos to our template, we can add images, we can add text, we can add elements, filters, we can add audios, and we can customize the layers of use this on. And the next one is videos. So we are not going to upload any videos, but you can upload videos from here if you want to, and you can add images to your template, and you can add text. So let's add something, and we're going to add text here, and let's type something here. So we're going to keep it on the top. So we have added text, and if we go to the elements section, you can see that the elements here. So we are not going to use any of these elements. So let's go to the filter section. So you can use any of this filter for your template or videos. So let's go to the, so we are not going to use any templates for this default on. So we are going to the audio section. So you can use the audios from here, or you can upload your own audio to use it in your template. So we are going to use the stock on. So let's use this one, and we're going to set this audio to our template. And now we have to simply click the save button, and our template is going to be ready. And we just need to click the download button from here, and you can see that it's started the processing. And let's see. Okay, so yes, I am done, and it's previewing the template. So the processing has started, and you can see that here is the percentage. Well, our project has been saved in my design section. So if you customize any of these templates, and you can save it, and you can download it from the editor page, and after that you will find your project in the my design section. So you can see that from here you can download it again. And let's go to the social blast section. So from here you can select your project, and you can share it on different social media platform. So let's find it, our project, and we have created a project for Facebook post. So let's select the Facebook here, and we need to log into our Facebook account, and we have already logged into our Facebook account. You can customize the caption from here. So let's keep the caption only test, and from here you can share the template in your newsfeed or your story. So we're going to post it on our newsfeed. So let's click on post to Facebook. So let's go to the timeline, and you can see that the post has successfully created. And don't worry about it, we just post it on a dummy Facebook account, so it doesn't have any profile picture or cover photo. So don't worry about it. So the post has been created. So this is how you can create project, and you can share it on your social media platform. So now let's talk about the training section. So in the training section you will find the training videos, and in the update section you will find the details of the upgrades of the software, and in the support section, from here you can contact us, and you can contact to the support desk. So this is how we can use VerTex, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.